In this video, we will do 10 minutes full body workout. Just start with warm up. Take a slow walk on the place for at least 30 seconds to warm up your whole body. For Kamar Chakrasana, keep your hands on your waist and rotate your trunk portion 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Just try to make a big circle with your waist. Next is Dvikonasana. Stand with the feet approx 30 cm apart. Keep your arms behind your back and interlock the fingers. Your arms should be extended. Don't make them loose on the back. Slowly bend towards your right knee. Try to touch your forehead with your knee. If you can't, then it's okay. Hold for 10 seconds. When you bend, don't take strain on your back. Keep your spine straight. Slowly come up. Inhale and exhale. Bend towards your left knee. Hold for 10 seconds. Slowly come up and relax. Sit on the mat now. Fold your left leg and place right knee directly above the left knee. Stretch the left arm to the side and fold behind the back. Stretch the right arm up above the head and fold it over the right shoulder. Try to interlock fingers of both the hands behind the back. Make sure your right hand elbow should lie parallel to your head. Spine should be straight. Hold for 10 seconds. Breathe normally. Release the hands and relax. Repeat with the other knee on top also. In the same way, try to interlock your fingers of both the hands behind the back and hold for 10 seconds. Release the pose and relax. Now sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees. Bend forward and place the hands flat on the floor for cat pose. Your hands should be in line with the knees. Keep your knees separated. This is the starting position. Inhale and raise your head upward and just spine down. Expand your abdomen and let your lungs take maximum amount of air. Try to hold the breath for 5 seconds. Exhale and lower down the head and stretch the spine upward. Hold for 5 breaths. One more round. Exhale down, spine up. Relax. Now we'll go for tiger pose. Starting position will be same as cow pose. Inhale and raise your head and right leg upward. Just make an arc on your back. Hold the breath for 5 seconds. Now exhale and drop your head down and try to touch your knee to the nose. Hold for 5 seconds. Do not touch your toes to the floor. Relax and knee down. Repeat with other leg also. Inhale, raise left leg and head upside. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale, drop head down, spine up and try to touch nose with the knee. And relax. Just relaxing child pose. Rest for 5 breaths. Inhale and go for cobra pose. Keep your hands side to your chest. Look up and gaze to the ceiling. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale for child pose. Rest for 5 seconds. Repeat one more round. Go for cobra. Concentrate on your shoulders, arms and spine. Exhale for child and rest for 5 breaths. Just relax your body. Inhale again and come to cobra. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale, come to your toes and go for the mountain pose. 5 breath hold in mountain. Exhale, come to cobra. Repeat one more round for cobra and mountain flow. Exhale to the mountain. Try to press your upper body downward as much as you can. Try to keep down your heels towards the floor. Exhale and come to the child pose. Relax your whole body. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.